Hello everyone, welcome to coding-bootcamps.com. Today we're going to be talking about one of our courses, which is Linux bash scripting, and we're going to be doing it at an intermediate level. I will be the instructor for this course. My name is Kevin Downs. A little bit about myself. I am a Red Hat certified system administrator at my current job. I'm in charge of administering hundreds of servers running on different Linux distributions. I worked as a Unix system administrator supporting several large enterprise level clients with IBM across multiple environments. As an RxCSA, I'm an adept at learning Linux programming for both personal and server Linux systems. Currently, I'm pursuing my Red Hat Certified System Engineer as well as DevOps. So some prereqs for this course, you do need to go ahead and take Introduction to Linux OS and Intro to Linux Bash Scripting. Both of those are courses that I'll be instructing, but it's important that you have the knowledge that are covered in those courses for this current course. So if you haven't taken those yet, go ahead and click on these links, follow them to the course, and take those courses before beginning this one. Some topics we're going to be covering in this course is Introduction to Korn and Bash Shell, Process Management, Writing Scripts, Advanced Customization of the Shell Environment, Programming Logic, Advanced Input-Output with Strings, String Manipulation, Security, Command Line Processing, Performance and Porting Issues, Overview of File Manipulation Utilities, Additional file processing commands, functions, and compound commands. We will have a couple of projects associated with this course so that you can kind of practice the skills that you learn that we teach throughout it. We also have a third project that has 6 examples in it. All these projects I'll go through line by line explaining exactly what's going on. But I would encourage you when you do these projects to give a crack at it on your own before resorting back to my instruction. So what's the takeaway when you finish this course? Well, you're going to have the foundational knowledge for scripting that's needed in careers such as system administration, developers, DevOps, consultants, contract work, and more. So scripting is really important in the industry, guys. It allows you to really do a lot of things at once. That way you're not spending a lot of time doing things by hand on the command line. So scripting is so important, and it's really become a huge topic in the industry lately. Some classes to take after you finish this course is going to be Learn PHP Programming, Introduction to Python Programming, Linux Management for System Administrators, which is another course I'll be teaching, Intro to HTML and CSS. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in this course. Be sure to go to coding-bootcamps.com to see what other courses we have available. Also, be sure to follow us on social media platforms such as LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms.